Welcome to EDU World Space.
Hi, here in this given problem, this is the charged conductor uniformly charged with a positive charge. Electron is revolving around it in this given direction. This electron will be experiencing an electrostatic force of attraction towards this positively charged conductor. That electrostatic force of attraction will create the necessary centripetal force. The linear charge density over that conductor, this is given as lambda is equal to 0.14 microcoulomb per meter. In the first part of the problem, we have to find, considering radius of the charged particle to be r, the path of the charged particle, the electron, to be r, electric field at the position of this electron, that will be given by the expression 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by 2 lambda by r. Or we can say this is using k for this 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is 2k lambda by r, and this electric field, as the charged conductor is positive, so electric field will be going away from the conductor. Okay, now in the second part of the problem, force of attraction, electrostatic force of attraction on electron due to positive charge over the conductor, that will be providing necessary centripetal force for the circular motion of electron. Means we can say electrostatic force that will be given by the product of charge over the electron with electric field EE, that is equal to mv square by r. So we get an expression for the speed of the electron around this conductor, and that is the square root of 2 e k lambda by m. M is the mass of electron. So plugging in all the known values here, square root of 2 times of the charge over electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 multiplied by k, 9 into 10 to the power 9, multiplied by charge density, linear charge density 0.14 microcoulomb, or into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb per meter, divided by mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31. And finally, this speed of the electron in circular motion around the conductor, calculated to be equal to 2.10 into 10 raised to the power 7 meter per second, which is the answer for this given problem here. Thank you.